you how to do it. Do you understand? Because this is very important. You do this from grade 4 up to grade 12. You must do a book review in grade 12, am I right? You do a boek recensie in Afrikaans, as ek reg? Moomin,
Juffrou?
het jy al gesien boek recensie in jou Afrikaanse syllabus?
Nee, juffrou.
Huh? Because teachers don't always have time, but this is very important. So, to encourage you to read, we brought this very important aspect back into our curriculum. So, hier is Afrikaans is soos 'n boekresensie. Ek gaan nou vir jou stap vir stap deur alles neem. Ek het vir jou die artikel gelees, ek het vir jou 'n artikel gegee. Daai artikel is geskik vir jou vlak. Daar is 'n klomp goed in daai artikel wat ons gaan ontgin. Daar is 'n klomp Afrikaans aspekte. You say that you want to do selfstandige naamwoorde, byvoeglike naamwoorde, eie name, bywoorde. Everything is in the article there. Okay, and we're going to show you. So this is a one article. After this session, this is how you are going to do it on your own. Do you hear me? So first of all, you're going to look at your title. Lees vir my jou titel daar. Lees vir my jou titel. Voor jou blad. Haal jou artikel uit. Success. Lees dit saam vir my.
Success nie my alles, ek wil leef.
So, I'm asking you to predict. What does it mean to predict? Wat, ek wil jy moet 'n voorspelling maak. As ek sien as 'n klomp wolke in die lug, dan sê ek, oh, I can predict it's going to rain. Am I right? So I want to know from you, what do you think, what will this article be about?
About success.
Somebody who's successful and somebody wants to live. So that was our prediction. It will get complicated as we carry on. You will see you will not always be correct in your prediction. Because you remember, like the weather forecast, I'm predicting it's going to rain, then it doesn't rain. Then the wind comes and blows the clouds away, and then the sun comes out. So prediction can be correct or it can be wrong. Now, then we need to clarify what is the text all about. So then we are going to read through it. I've done the reading for you. We read, you follow with your eyes on the words, very important. You follow with your eyes, you hear the sound. You put your finger and see if you can follow along as we read. Because the Afrikaans is difficult and I'm reading it slowly. Now, because we are going to read through it, whether it's me reading, you reading, all of us reading, this is going to clarify whether we have predicted the correct thing. This is going to clarify what the article is all about. Then, very important, you are going to ask yourself questions. What kind of questions can we ask about the article?
Wat is die titel?
Wat is nie die titel nie, waaroor gaan dit? Van wie praat hulle? Wie is in die artikel? Wie is in die artikel? Arafat. Who is in the article? Who is in the article?
Christa.
A lady. Is it children?
No.
No, is it a man? A man.
Mm.
It's a woman. What is this article about?
About success.
Who wants to be successful?
Christa.
Why does she want to be successful?
To be rich.
She wants to be rich, but at the same time, she wants a challenge. She wants to be successful. If she gets that role, then she goes, oh, what is she doing? What kind of work is she doing?
Acteur.
She's an actor. She's an actor. She's an actor. Is she successful?
Yes.
She is successful, but besides them talking about her success, what do they also talk about? Oh no, sy het gesê, ek wil leef. What does she do to live? In die artikel. Wat doen sy? What is she doing?
Sy dra
Sy kuier graag, sy lag graag,
en sy hou van ontwerpsklere.
sy hou van mooi klere dra, sy gaan na partytjies. So it's not just about work and getting or being successful, it's also about living a life. She can visit with her parents. Where does her parents stay? Where does she stay?
In Kaapstad.
She stays in Cape Town, in Bellville. With who does she stay? So there's a lot of questions that we can ask about the article. Now, once you can answer all those questions, then the last one, which is the important one, then you are going to write a short summary. You are going to summarize. Now, we made it very easy for you, Mumin, to summarize. All we do is, we give you this page here, and we say here, opsomming. In these few short sentences, you're gonna summarize and you're gonna say, yo, why is the line so few? We want more lines. So we are gonna write just a very short summary about the text.
Yes.
Then here voorstel. Why would you say this is a good article? Will you, Maras, go to Zia and say, Zia, you must read that article? Arafat, why would you recommend this article to a next person? Because
It's interesting.
it's very interesting. What else? Yeah, I know you read it. What else is about that you picked up?
She's
There's a
rich,
lot
but
of
she's-
words.
Yes.
Then you underlined a lot of words. What else, Adasha? There's new words there, isn't it? So I will recommend this text to Mumin because there's a new words, there's a lot of vocabulary. And what makes a good article? Vocab. If it can enhance your vocabulary, right? If it can enrich your vocabulary. There's also a lot of abstract words, figurative speech. There's also a lot of adjectives. So it also shows you how to write, because on the one hand it's a first person written a text, then all of a sudden it's direct speech in there, then she herself talks, and then there's a third person summarizing up what was said and what she does. Okay.
Yes.
So this text also tell you what movies you can watch to go see this actor in. Okay, so then here this is very important. Would you tell someone else about this article and why? So when you come up, you finished another text, because I have a whole flip file full of text that I've pulled out for you. So it's no difficulty for you to read the article and to score your credits. Okay. So once you're done with the article, now this is an example one. You're gonna say, ma'am, please, I finished this. I need a new article. I want to start with my credits. Then yeah, we're gonna give you a credit according to your article. So what you're gonna do is, you're not just gonna say, ma'am, I finished your article, can I have my credits? No, you're gonna come with this page. You are gonna draw there in that space what this story is about, and then you are gonna give us the information. All the information is on the article right there, and then you are gonna give us a summary. But how did you get to this point? You've done all of this. Do you hear me? And then afterwards, then you look back on the text and say, but there was a lot of new words. There were a lot of figurative speech. So that is why I will recommend it. Are you with us? Any questions on that?
Can you just then finish the explanation of the reading program? You can just start again, because I
Please
didn't.
pause it, please
Okay.
pause.